going on here, man?
Well, you see, this is what happens when your tire sticks to the road really nice. And your motor just doesn't like all that traction, you know?
So, like, what's the matter?
Second gear hole shots and burnouts just really don't like gears. They just don't hold on, you know?
Yeah, you broke it, Justice. Justice, you did this.
Yeah, shit happens.
It's got your name all over it, dude.
Shit happens when you party naked, man.
So, were you putting the hurt on Jibby when you were doing this?
I'm always putting the hurt on Jibby.
Yeah, well.
He's riding a lawnmower.
Yep, riding season's coming up.
Right.
Come on, give me the shooting.
Ball.
Ride a bike like a normal person.
Quit wrecking my bike.
Quit blowing shit up.
Yeah, that's it. Leave a comment below. Like it. Share it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.